Cybersecurity in India just received one of its biggest updates, and it affects every organization, every app you use, and ultimately every digital user in the country. Let's break down what CERT-In's new 2025 guidelines really mean. CERT-In, India's National Cyber Emergency Response Agency, has released the Comprehensive Cyber Security Audit Policy Guidelines 2025. Sounds complicated, but here's the simple version. These guidelines decide how organizations should protect their systems, detect attacks, respond to incidents, and prove that they're actually secure. Earlier, cybersecurity audits were often treated like a checklist. Run it once a year, fix a few things, and move on. But in 2025, CERT-In has changed the game. Now audits must be deeper, broader, and continuous. Not just for IT systems, but also for cloud platforms, mobile apps, APIs, industrial systems, and even AI models. Here's a big shift. Organizations must now map every component they use. Software, hardware, firmware, third-party tools, even AI systems. Everything must have a bill of materials. Why does this matter? Because most cyber attacks today exploit hidden components or vulnerable third-party software. Transparency means stronger security. The guidelines also focus heavily on audit quality. Auditors must follow strict standards, be fully independent, and submit their findings to CERT-In within days, not months. And organizations cannot hide behind paperwork anymore. They must fix vulnerabilities, follow secure development practices, and be prepared for real threats. Another major change: these rules aren't just for big corporations. Even MSMEs, government departments, and service providers handling digital data are included. If you run a digital service, you're accountable. So what does this mean for users like you and me? It means the apps we trust, the banks we use, the websites we interact with, all are now under stricter security checks. It means better data protection, faster breach detection, and more transparency. And for cybersecurity teams and first responders, it means moving from reaction to readiness. Audits must now feed into continuous improvement, drills, incident planning, and real-world threat defense. In short, the 2025 CERT-In updates push India towards a stronger, more resilient cybersecurity ecosystem. It's a shift from ticking boxes to truly being prepared. Because in today's digital world, security isn't optional. It's a necessity.